Hi everyone, great morning to all of you around the Hong Kong and Philippines. By the way, thank you so much for your endless support. Here is my daily routine, guys. I will pass by always every morning in this spot, in these blooming flowers. Look at that. It's really wonderful to see these colorful blooming flowers, and hope you have a good start of the year. By the way, thank you so much for your endless support to my channel, and to those who I haven't visited yet or hindi ko pa nabalikan, please be patient with me. I will surely return back the favor. And to those who are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Thanks again for watching, and wishing you all this New Year 2023 a prosperous, healthy New Year. So, my secret to a healthy and happy lifestyle. Just get up every morning, prepare yourself, have a short prayer, being thankful for the day, for the morning, and go out to have a short walk or run or jog or do some workout. Then go to some places that will make your mind relax and spend some time with nature. That's how I make it. And thanks again, guys. Just a short talk dahil walang magawa. So, every morning nag-iisa. Dahil yung isa kong kasama, I don't know if she's still able to go out. But later, I will update you. So, thanks again for the time. Please do share with your community, guys, if you do like my videos. Thanks again for watching. God bless everyone.